what?
Belgian chocolate brownie.
And it looks good. I got that one and that one. Our food for tomorrow, we're going to Boston.
Yeah.
It's time for dinner. I'm not hungry yet because it's only 4 o'clock in the Bay Area. But we need to adjust, so we have to eat dinner. And anyway, this is where we're staying. And we just get down here for a dinner at this place. And this is 54th Avenue. We're just waiting for our table right now. We got our appetizers.
We should ask them for several.
And this is our dessert. It's a Japanese mochi ice cream. We have 3 flavors: mango, vanilla, and matcha green tea. We walked from our hotel to Avis to get our rental car. We are going to Boston today. The hotel that we stayed in is only a few walks away to Avis. Right here. Finally, we got our car. Hubby's second time driving in New York City. I know you want me. Something in the air. What a relief, huh, Daddy? We just exited the heavy traffic from the city.
What?
The electric razor.
We are now here in Connecticut. I know you want me. Something in the air. Finally, we are here now in Boston. 4 hours drive because of traffic.
Traffic, road construction.
A lot of road construction.
Mainly road construction. I think road construction costs us 30 minutes commute.
Probably.
Not accident.
So this is our room. Much bigger than the one in New York.
I'm gonna have my croissant.
No, you don't have any more croissant. That's just one bite.
You finish it?
That's the bathroom. This is our view. Let's see our view if you have a nice view.
It's alright.
Oh,
We are on the top floor of the hotel.
here.
Better service than the Hilton. I'll tell you that much.
So where we staying? This is, they called a Back Bay.
We're in Copley Square, next to Back Bay.
It took us 5 hours drive to get here, and Hubby and Melody skip breakfast and lunch. Me, I keep on munching pastries, chips, nuts.
Drinking water.
Yeah, I drank the whole thing also, a big bottled water. We didn't even stop at any rest area. Daddy just continued driving. Okay, let's go for dinner. That's our hotel. Very old building, but it's modern inside. I don't know, Mel. It's up to you. Where you wanna eat?
I'm fine with anything.
This is the menu for the sushi.
So we got our dinner here at this is Luke's Lobster. We decided to get lobster roll. Oh,
Finish line. I would never run a marathon. Let me tell you. I see so many people like outside all this.
this is the public library. Newbury Street. I'm getting acai bowl from this place. I feel like I need to eat something refreshing.
I feel like I'm still hungry. So
Yeah, you still hungry? No, because we're not gonna eat dinner anymore. So,
you won't eat dinner anymore.
how about you? You still gonna go buy some
I can always go back to the lobster place.
again? Daddy loved the lobster place.
It's so just a joke.
Good morning! It's our second day. And we ordered our breakfast through DoorDash from this place. Tate.
That's the arcade. I'm not sure how you pronounce it.
Yeah, me too, I'm not sure.
I'm having a.
What do you have, Dad?
Croissant.
Croissant sandwich?
Croissant sandwich with scrambled egg, added ham, and then there's a guacamole or avocado.
This is what I ordered. The house breakfast. And this is Mel's breakfast. Bon appetit! Hello everyone! Today I'm taking you along the iconic streets here in Boston. The Newbury Street. It's famous for shopping and great foods.
Shopping and food.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's nice to walk, right?
Yeah.
I said we can walk. You're like,
Tessa.
Oh, okay. That's where I wanna eat. But Melody doesn't wanna wake up early for brunch. I think it's on the rooftop. We are here now at the Boston Public Garden. I'm going to find the Freedom Trail and I'm going to take a picture there. The walk is not that bad. It's only 11 minutes away from our hotel.
We went all the way here to see this.
This is the starting point
It's a
of
2.5
the
mile walk.
Freedom
We start
Trail.
from here.
We are here now at the Boston Common. It's a big garden. It's another 8-minute walk to Acorn Street from Freedom Trail. It's a famous street made out of cobblestone. We can walk this way. We can walk this way. Kasi ano, street yan, mas maganda maglakad dito.
Well, some of this used to be all brick until the earthquake.
So I guess that's where it is, where the people are. But I don't think you can go inside. Look at that.
I wonder if
So, wow, all these houses are nice. This is it. Look at this, guys. Famous street here in Boston. Acorn Street.
you want to be in the center of my book.
Commonwealth Street. So in between the street, they have this park in between. Our hotel is so convenient. It's a walking distance to a lot of shops, restaurants, and points of interest. This is the RH store and restaurant here. We're going inside the library. This is the Holy Trinity Church. And across to it is the public library.
Do they actually want to know?
Boston Dock Tours. Also, this is the station.
Yeah.
Maybe next time when we come back here, we're gonna try and ride this one.
I wanna try
We don't have enough time right now.
Take a picture?
I'm gonna show you where's our room, and Melody is where are you?
One of the big rooms.
Mel.
She's right there by the window. She's right in this window right here.
I cannot see her. So we're here to visit this church.
I'm looking at his fingers.
It's a Cathedral of the Holy Cross.
I'm just looking at the fingers like, oh my.
Let's We are now on the way to Quincy Market. We are back here at Quincy Market. The last time we were here, it was raining hard. Wow, there's so many tourists today. Today is just a perfect day. It's just like California weather. This is where we got our lobster sandwich last time. Boston Chowder. This is where we got last time. Yes. What you want?
So many options.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk all the way to the inside. Yeah, let's go.
Where's Daddy? Oh, okay. Oh, pasta.
Yeah.
We're lucky to get a table here. So I just found out that this is the financial district here in Boston.
Know what that is?
I don't know what's going on here right now, but the line is so long. Melody wanna go here. F1 arcade. Okay, we're waiting for our Uber now to go back to the hotel. We waited here until it gets really dark to get a nice view of the financial district. It's really nice at night. We also tried to go to F1 arcade, but there's no more available time. We're gonna have to wait like 1 hour, and it's getting too late, so we just decided to not to do it. Melody's ordering our Uber now. I did took a photo here while waiting for our Uber. We're doing grocery for our breakfast before heading back to New York. For our road trip.
New York.
Oh, they have this one too, Dad. Oh, it's right here. Oh, but it's only one flavor.
Yeah.
This grocery is so big. It's just across to our hotel. It's so convenient.
They call it Star
It's Star Market, but I see a Safeway signature brand on it. I'm gonna get this one. So this is what we got for our road trip back to New York. We have 3 muffins, one of each, some fruits.
Then I'll have a bag.
Star Market.
Where did the sun go?
I know it was sunny a while ago. Okay, we're going back to our hotel now. Few steps away. Oh, it's windy! That's our hotel in front of me.
You're good?
Checking out.
Yeah, but New York, more, and then that's where you're gonna put the thing.
This is a nice hotel and it's a nice location. It's convenient to everywhere. There's also a public parking garage across the hotel. Here's our car going back to New York. Our first stop on the way back to New York.
You can even put a gas, the nozzle doesn't fit.
Oh, really? are here now at Hartford, Connecticut. Just decided to stop by to take a photo at the state capitol.
Because our GPS took us somewhere else.
Our GPS
Bypass all the stuff.
got messed up. I don't know why. We're supposed to take 95 because we want to stop by at Providence, Rhode Island. But it just decided to take us all the way to New York. Good thing I noticed it.
I'm just driving. I trust the navigation is right.
Or else we're just gonna keep driving and then we're gonna run out of gas.
Yeah, because we have gas stopped on the route.
Yeah. This is Hartford State Capitol. It's a nice building. This is the city view. United Healthcare building. This is so nice building. It's like something you see in Europe. Hello again, New York. This is George Washington Bridge from New York to New Jersey. Columbia University Business Building.
See, like this sa seaport, but smaller building. Right? But then it's not a freeway. You can actually...
look at this cruise line. NCL. We are eating here again at the Japanese restaurant. It's so convenient because we just go down from our hotel. So it was so stressful driving here in New York City.
Because of the parade.
I think we got stuck for like an hour.
No, not an hour.
It's so much traffic because there's a parade and they close some roads that we need to take, and it got affected our route to return the car. We got our food. We're so hungry. Mel and Daddy skip breakfast again. I mean lunch.
No, I have the muffin.
Oh, that's breakfast.
That was better than nothing.
Okay, let's eat.